Hey guys, what's up? This is the inside of my 20 by 24 camera. And, well, I've been getting underneath it and getting the bottom part polished. I don't think it really needs refinishing too much. Learned a couple things. For example, like, this metal used to have a black coating on it, which is, I think, black Japanning. I think that was on it, and I think it was on these other cranks as well. I don't think it was on the rail that the camera sits on, but I do believe those three were coated in Japan black. Some of the evidence is that this brass piece right here is still coated in black. Can't see it too well, but this brass piece is as well. And this brass piece right here is black japanned, and of course the wheel. You could see the black coating, glossy lacquer-like coating, and that's black Japan for sure. So I'm gonna have to redo that. But overall, I mean, you could see like the color difference between here and here. I mean, it's so much richer here because this isn't been sitting in the sun and baking and fading. But I mean, I'm just really impressed with how beautiful that that shine came out.